When you're setting up a business, one of the first things that you'll probably want to do is find a really great domain name for your business to be able to host your website. I'm going to show you now 4 ways that you can do this, that you can find amazing, great domain names, starting with my least favorite up to my most favorite. So let's go ahead and jump in. The first way is you can simply just search on domains.squarespace.com. Let's say you want to find a domain name. You could just type it in here and see chickenfrankenstein.com is currently available in case you are wondering. So that's the first way. Pretty straightforward, and it allows you to buy it right here in Squarespace. The second way that you can do it is using GoDaddy. So basically the same way that you go in there, you type in the URL, you see if it's available, and you can see yes, it is available. So Squarespace and GoDaddy are both ways that you can go and buy that domain. Now, I really like, so those are the first 2 ways. I really like these next 2 ways more. The next way that you can do it is if you go into GoDaddy, you can click on domains and then click auctions for domain names. And so these are domain names that have been previously purchased, but are up for sale for one reason or the other. Maybe the domain has expired, like the person did not renew their domain on their annual fee, or maybe somebody bought a domain and is wanting to sell it. And what you can do is come in here to this advanced search and you can type in specific keywords. Let's say that you have a business that sells fruit. Okay, I don't know what we're looking for exactly, but just for an example, let's say fruit, and you can have an exact match. So actually, no, you don't want an exact match because that would be like fruit.com. So we won't have an exact match. You can say, I want this to end within a specific time. I want this to be a specific type of listing. So I like looking for expiring auctions. You can also look for public auctions, public buy now, closeouts, and then value price domains. I typically don't do that just because I try to hunt for really good deals, but you absolutely can do that. You can look for within a specific price, specific number of bids. I typically come in here and just look for .com extensions, so you can do that as well. I like the max length to be less than around, 12, maybe 12 characters being the max length. And then, yeah, apply the filters and you'll get this list of domains for anything that is fruit. So you can find really great domains in there. And then you can obviously come in and filter this based off of the price. If you take out that public buy now here, you'll be able to also see, stuff that's going for a bid. So and then you can filter by time left. So $50 buy now, jfruitt.com is available. So that's a really great way to find these domain names. The last way is actually a way that I recently just figured out. And so all you'll need to do is just go back to godaddy.com. And there is this really cool, let's go ahead and type in fruit. You can see fruit.com is not available, but there's this cool start with AI domain name search. So all you have to do is just click on this and say, a website that sells fruit and fruit related clothing. I don't know. Okay. And what this is going to do is it's going to use their AI to go and find domain names that will fit that criteria. And it's really, really neat. So bananafashionista.com, cherry chic wear, citrus style hub, right? These are really, really fruitfulwardrobe.com. Nobody has bought that, right? Really, really great domain names that you can very quickly go in and find and buy. And now you have a great domain name for your website. This is helpful. Let me know if there's anything else that you're interested in about websites or hosting a website or anything tech. Feel free to throw it in the comments below. Would love to connect with you. Thanks.